Hi everyone, this is Michael. I'm the project manager of the Transgender Archives Discovery Tool project. I'm here to provide a quick tutorial about how to get the most out of our new online discovery tool. Go to transgenderarchives.ca and click on the Discovery Tool tab and launch the tool. We call this the dashboard. You'll see 3 tabs at the top: Publications, Articles, and Events. Let's start with Publications. There are 3 main sections. At the top, there's a large global map showing the publishing location of each publication title. To the right, these are your search filters, including the number of results returned. And below is the publication information, showing all the details of your search results. Let's check out the global map. You have a few functions here: the zoom in and zoom out function. The play icon also has a few useful tools. The default is the pan function, which allows you to move the map. However, if you want to select materials from a specific region of the map, use this zoom area function. You can use the rectangle function to select a grouping of materials. Or you can just click on one of the pins, which will generate the corresponding material details in the window below. For a more powerful search, click Keep Only in the pop-up window if you only want to see results from this one location. Conversely, select Exclude if you do not want to see results from this specific location. Another way to find results is through our search filters. Let's first reset the Discovery tool by refreshing your web browser or by pushing the Revert button above each of the tabs. You can do this at any time if you want to start fresh. If you click on the search filter, you can browse all the titles we currently have indexed. By default, all titles are selected. Let's unselect them all. I'm looking to see if the Transgender Archives holds a specific title called Transvestia. To find it, I can scroll through the list, or I can just search it in the search bar. Select the title or titles you are looking for and click the search bar to close the window. You can see that the map has updated with the results, and the window below shows the details of your results. I'm looking for the issue number 1. Here you'll see information like publication title, volume, issue, year, and the call number. The call number is what you need for archive staff to retrieve the item. You can make note of this number by jotting it down or by clicking the download button and making a PDF of your results. Hover over or click the Details button for more detailed information about the item. You will also see an image of the front cover of the issue. Some of our materials, including Transvestia, have been digitized. If the issue is available online for you to view, click Download eVersion, and a new window will open to the digital version. Let's talk about searching by issue keyword. We indexed subject keywords by using both the Library of Congress and the community-driven Homosaurus, in addition to some custom terms. Next up is the Article tab. This tab tracks the thousands of articles that we have indexed. The tab has 2 main windows. The large window on the left shows the article details, including the publication the article was published in, article title, volume, issue, year, and the call number of the publication. Similar to the Publications tab, the Details window shows detailed information about the publication. The window on the right contains the varying search filters. These filters are accumulative, meaning that the more you filter, the more limited your results will be. For example, I'm looking for an article written by Dallas Denny in Ladylike magazine, but I do not know the title of the article, nor do I know the issue number. I'll first search Dallas Denny in last name, first name format. The window on the left shows the results, and the issue filters below will now only display the publication titles that Dallas Denny has published in. I now see it's issue number 20 that I'm looking for. And I can take the call number to archive staff for retrieval so that I may read the physical copy. Let's check out events. This part of the dashboard includes all the historical events that we found in the selected publications. Much of the functionality we've already talked about applies to the Events tab. You can see the main global map, filter tools on the right, and the information window below. The Events tab also has a timeline. To narrow down the timeline, just use the Event Year slider. As you can see, the results show events within our date range, in addition to events that had no listed year. To further limit your search, click the down arrow and select Values in Range, which will remove the events with no year. If you want to review the event in detail, check the information window and record the publication's call number so that archive staff can retrieve the physical item for you. That concludes this brief tutorial on the Transgender Archives Discovery tool. Thanks for watching.